Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I did my very first wig install. I'm first starting off by sectioning off the hair and adding some heat protectant, and then combing through the hair and adding some nice curl to the wig. I am curling away from the face on both sections. I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute, but I'm always curling away from the face, no matter which direction it is. A lot of people like to curl away and towards for more volume and what have you. I just prefer to have my curls going in one direction from both sides. This was my very first wig install. I've always done extensions or had a sew-in or glue-in, but I wanted to try something different. This is what I mean by having the curls going the same way, just from the opposite side. When I got to the middle section of the hair, I started curling the opposite way. Also, just so you guys know, at the very end of the video you will see how the wig turns out. I did end up plucking the hairline just a little bit. I also ended up plucking more parting space because it does look a little wiggish, but this was my very first time trying to install a wig, so hopefully this inspires some of you to start doing it as well if wearing wigs is something that you're really interested in doing. I also added tracks to the wig. If you can see, you might be able to tell, but there are some extensions that I added in to make it a little bit fuller. Then I'm going in with some argan oil, and I am using that to smooth out the hair, and then I'm going to finger comb and use my brush to brush out the curls to make it a little more wavy. And I'm just making sure to brush throughout all of the hair, including the back, getting all of it brushed out so that I can get it to the desired curl that I wanted. I used the Got2b Freeze Spray to secure the wig cap, and then I took some scissors and I cut the band off, and the Got2b Freeze Spray worked really well. As you can see, it still stayed on my head even when I moved my face, so I was really impressed with that. So this is me putting on the wig, as you can see, and I'm just securing the back of it because there's combs in the wig. And I'm just kind of looking to see where I want my hairline to be, where I want the wig to start, and just seeing how it looks. But yeah, as you can see, the hairline and the parting space doesn't look super natural, so I definitely did go in and go ahead and tweeze some of that out to make it look more natural. I will insert a picture so that you can see what it looks like. I'm then taking this wig cap glue, wig glue just in general, it's for the lace. A lot of people use Ghost Bond, I believe. The kind that I'm using is from Amazon. I believe it was about $14. It was cheaper than Ghost Bond because I didn't know how I was gonna like wearing wigs and securing them, or if I was even going to use the glue at all, so I went for a slightly cheaper option, but it did end up holding pretty well. For the most part though, since I've been wearing the wig, I've been securing it just with the freeze spray, just because I feel like it's a lot easier to take off, and I have actually felt like it held better. I actually did 4 layers of the glue before I started securing, and at the end I still have to continue to layer on more because it didn't hold very well. I'm not sure if it was the type of glue that I used or if I just did it improperly, but since I've been only using the freeze spray, the wig has held better for me. This is how the wig turned out at the very end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any tips or tricks for me, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.